Guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's your boy Admire FX. Thanks for always for the support to our channel as we keep growing little by little. Okay, so actually today I'm gonna take you guys through how I was able to get the good entry of V25 of a good entry of about the risk to reward of about 1:10 and more. So how we got this buy entry and how we got the actual sell retracement and how we got this buy retracement entry and how we got this sniper entry for the actual trend for the sale. So let's go to the actual business of the day. This actually which I sent to my students on Discord. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. So I'm going to take you guys how I was able to make these entries and through the sniper entries, and it all you just have to do for us is to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the business of the day now. So I was able to get this buy entry. Market actually goes like a wave. The market goes like a wave. Market doesn't just go in a straight line. It goes more like a wave. It range. Sometimes it continues buying and stuff. So let's take this off. Okay. So how I was able to get this entry was I knew if you check up here, you're going to see some patterns. The market was trying to form patterns which will reverse our pattern. So this was more this blue line up here and this blue line below here is more like the market has been ranging. The market has been ranging, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So a break of this area will give us a very strong sell signal. So before then, we had a way we could get. We were still looking for a bias of a buy signal. Okay, so if you check here, let me zoom out. Uh, let me zoom out. If you check here, you see we had a indecision candle, more like a dojo candle, which represents indecision candle for people that trade candles interpretation. We know what this means. Before this rally happened, this range, the rally, exhaustion, the rally. So we had to take our rectangle to from the tip of this angle of the candle and we extended it. If you see, it was not able to get to this level, and we extended it as long as we could, waiting for market to come down, mitigate this area just like it did here and start going up. So on seeing a mitigation of this area, we've had to wait for another bullish candle closing confirmation, which was this second bullish candle closing, and we had to make our entry there. We place our long entry there, just at that tip, and we push our stop loss somewhere around here. So our first level target was about 1:2. Sorry about that. Was about 1:2. Yes, which was this high. Our second level target was the tip at the week of this candle week rejection here. That was our second level target, which gave us about 1:4. It was actually 1:4. Yes, we had 1:4. So that is actually how we were able to catch this buy entry at this point. So let's go to the how we were able to catch this sell entry down here. So all I just had to do was that, because if you look up here, we saw that this market was about to reverse to a sell. So we had to take my fib to place it at this high, this lower high there, and drag it down to this low here. So if you see, it falls between our 618 level and above is more like our discounted area. So between the 618 level, you see we had more like a fair value gap here. Yes, which will give us another strong confirmations for a sell for market to come back to this level and mitigate that area. So for us to have a most sniper entry, we had to take a rectangle to draw it from the wick of that green candle day, the last green candle before the market started going down. So from that green candle, from the wick of the green candle, and we place our sell limit at this area. We took our short to place our sell limit here at this area, and our stop loss a little bit above these highs here, a little bit above that high. And our first level target was a 1:3, which was this high, which was here, and our second level target was down here, which was the ultimate break of this high, which was this blue zone. So we had our first level target was a 1:3, and the second level target was a 1:5. And then that would make 1:8. And if you add up with this one we had here, we had 1:4 again. So that's actually about 1:12 in total. So that's actually how we were able to have that entry. You know, this, if you look at these entries, they are on key levels. This place here, which let me this place here was more like a key level, a break of this area. So what we were looking for is waiting for market to break that area, come down, retest that area, and come down, start coming down. So we had our entry, our sell limit there, our stop loss above that high, and we were able to ride the sell, which was about to start. So we still had another entry at this level because I was still convinced about the sales in the market. So I had to place, after this long bearish engulfing candle here, I placed my sell entry there, put my stop loss just at the wick of this, and I take profit. It was more like a 1:2 at this blue zone. So we still had another 1:2 plus the previous 1:2. We had more like that's 1:14, and the previous one was 1:12. Now it's 1:14. So that's how we were able to catch all the buy retracement here, the sell trend of V25. Okay, you know, actually we trade from zone to zone. So more like we enter from a zone, we exit at zones. Then probably if you're sure of the trend, you extend it to the next high, just like I did here, and you exit at that zone. Same thing, you trade from this zone. These zones here, these lines here that you're seeing are actually support and resistance area. This is resistance, this is a support area, which I mark out on my chart, which actually I'm going to show you guys how to mark out these levels on your chart so that you can also be trading from zones. We don't just trade anywhere in the market. We wait for markets to go close to our zones, then we start looking for market patterns, reactions, or other stuffs that the market will perform at these areas. Then we make our entries. So actually that's how we were able to catch the trade of more than 1:14 of this trade. And you know, even though you are using a minimum lot size, that will be making about $14. And if you are using a standard lot size, you could be making about $140 or $1,400 due to your lot size which you are using to place this trade. So this was good profits for the week and several other more trades that we took. But this was one of the most profitable ones that we had during the week. So thanks for staying tuned to this channel to this point of time. Please do well to continue supporting us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Also, let us know what other or which other topic you love us to talk about on our next video. Just drop it on the comment section. I'll check it out. I'm going to reply your comments. Just drop them, and we are going to make videos concerning those areas. Just let me know what kind of video or what kind of teaching or forex strategies you want me to show you or teach or explain better for you guys on the next video. Just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply, and I'm going to try as much as possible to making videos concerning that. Once again, it's your boy Admire FX. See you on the other side.